Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you about a really exciting booking solution that I came across not too long ago. I just had it on my to-do list to circle back and do a video and a guide for it. If in fact it was as cool as I thought it was, and it is better than I could have imagined. So I thought about implementing this on the upcoming Canvas starter site just to show it off. First of all, it's a 100% free solution for individuals. So that's the real important piece, which we'll get into. But I was going to wait and show it off potentially on, like I said, on the upcoming Canvas starter site. But I felt like it was so important just to get this out there. One, in case people are looking for a solution, I don't want someone to have to pay for one for their directory website when they could offer this for free. I can't remember the other reason. Oh, yeah, the other reason was the name, the claiming of your username. You know, if you, the website owner, or maybe you have multiple websites, or there's the people on that might be signing up for your MyListing website. With listings, they can go out and capture their usernames before they're gone. That was another driving a point that's driving me wanting to do this video now rather than wait. So. All right, so let's go ahead and real quickly, I want to do a quick rundown of the booking solutions that I've tried to help people with in the past, and just to see where we are with that. So for that, I'm just going to go up under the menu, and I'm going to go to Resources here. And I'm going to go and sort the content here. So content tag, I'm going to sort this. I didn't do this before the video, so we'll see what this comes up with. Booking. So this should be every guide. Okay, so we've got Book Like a Boss. That's what I use. Well, it's what I used to use. I'm thinking about probably just switching to this new solution. And then calendar.it for that second one. Calendar IT again for that one. Calendly. You're not going to need Calendly anymore. So basically, I'll probably leave these resources up there, except for this is definitely going to get rid of Calendar here. I'll probably leave the other ones just in case people want Calendly for some reason, and Book Like a Boss is really awesome too. But I think this with 100% without a doubt replaces Calendar, which was an awesome offering. Really awesome offering for up to 10 bookings per month, and you could take payments. But this solution here I'm going to show you eliminates that limit. There's no limitation. Unlimited bookings, get paid. Just it's Calendar. I've said this before with other solutions. I've like calendar.it. It's Calendly on steroids for free. Like, it's just crazy. Okay. So anyway, I wanted to point this out. And so real quick, let's look at the deals here. So that's the guides. Let's look at sorting this by booking. So yeah, these are different. So again, it would apply to Calendar here, which again, even with that amazing discount, this just replaces it. There's just no need for that even. And Book Like a Boss and Amelia, yeah, you have to look more into that. It potentially goes away too. Again, this is for individuals for free. There is a team aspect that's paid and it's very inexpensive, but most people, with what I'm about to show you, won't need that for the directory websites. Okay, so that's that. All right, let's go ahead and get into this cool thing. Cal.com, like I said, 100% free. It's just amazing. Okay, so let's just roll through this as a new user. I've gone through it myself at a high level, but let's just go through this. This is the part where I said what's driving part of this is I want to put this out in front of people if you don't know about it, so you can go out and get your username before it's gone. So cal.com, I'll just try MyListing. Claim username. Okay, and then however you want to sign up from here, I'm going to go ahead and do by my email. Okay, and sign up for free. Okay, I'm going to get an email, and of course, I do not have my email open. So let me go ahead and do that on my other screen. How am I going to do that? Sorry about that. Let me get logged in here on my other screen. All right, almost there, almost logged in. All right, so my inbox is coming up. I'm just going to verify that email that Cal sent me. I'm calling it Cal like I know them by first name. I am not seeing it. Maybe it's just taking a bit. It's not in my junk. Let me just resend it here. Resend email. If this doesn't work, I'll just sign up with a dummy account, and we'll. Okay, here we go. So that came through. Okay, so on my other screen, I logged in, verified my email, and then I just came back here. I just refreshed the page. Okay. All right, so we can continue rolling on with this. Really simple stuff. So say we got that really cool vanity URL there. I'm just going to put in my listing for now and time zone. Next step. Now, we're looking at this from both angles. This is you, the website owner, and any of your businesses you want to set up, right? But think about this too from the listing owner standpoint. What you're going to do is send them here, and you really don't even have to give them any instructions because they've probably done this with other platforms before. You just say go here, sign up, and then that previous step where it was the name that they chose, that's all you need, which we're going to see in a second. Okay. So I'm going to skip this for now, but they would, connect their calendars. You connect yours. They would connect theirs. I'm going to say I'm going to connect it later. Look at all these apps, all of these apps in here. Okay. So we're just going to set this up later. Set your availability, whatever you want that to be. We'll just go with the defaults. Set up your bio, set up an image. We're just going to skip that by default also. Okay, so just like that, we are now into the Cal dashboard. It's beautiful, minimalistic. But it's super powerful too once you get into it. Okay, so if we go up under our profile here, just in case you missed it when we were blowing through those initial screens, this is it right here. This is our username. This is what we are going to want to get from your listing owners. Okay, that's it. Just whatever they choose there. All right. So let's go back into an actual MyListing website and see how we might do this, right? So we've got a listing type. We go to the fields. We're just going to add I added a custom text field, which is, where did I put it? Right here, Cal booking. So it's just that text field. And obviously on your website, you're going to want to give some instructions here. Go here, sign up for a free account, that sort of thing. So put something here in the description field that gives them, a little bit of education on what this is for. Okay. This is a way for you, to bolster to monetize more, or for the first time, depending on how you've got it going. Use this package visibility feature down here and say, hey, if you're on plan X, I'm going to give you access to this field to embed your booking information. What's really cool about this is you don't have to install a plugin that you have to pay for and maintain. That's going to add bloat to your website and all of that. It's just a free solution, super quick, painless, and beautiful, right? So we've got that field there. Then we come over here to the single page. So now we're talking about the front end of your site, right? So what I did is under cover details, I put in a call to action button, just called it book, call it whatever you want. And all we're doing is putting in HTTPS:// cal.com. And then we're using the shortcode feature of MyListing to call up that text field. So all we're doing is adding our username to the end of the cal.com URL, right? Really, really cool stuff, automated stuff. Okay, so what that gives us, let's look at a listing here on the front end. So what that gives us here is this button up here, right? What that does is it's gonna, the way that I have it configured is, let's go here. I've got it set to open in a new tab, which you absolutely want. If it's gonna go to a different website off of your own, you wanna open those in a new tab. You wanna enable tracking here as a way to see what you're providing people. Like, hey, this person got this many clicks on their booking form, blah, 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 blah. So you wanna track that, right? Okay, so that takes them to their cal page, cal.com page, and pulls up where they can start doing their bookings, right? Okay, that's one way to do it. Another way, so what I found was I went into here and you've got these different event types. You can create all kinds of different event types, but let's just take one, for example. Let's take this 15-minute meeting here, this top one. If you click on these three dots, it gives you an embed option. Okay, so that's going to allow you to embed one of these events at a time wherever you want. So in a listing or whatever. So what I thought was it'd be cool if they could do their entire booking page. So this essentially, all of the meeting types, right? But there's no way to do it with cal.com without there's like a plugin, a WordPress plugin, but it's very outdated. And that doesn't mean it's bad or that it's insecure or anything like that. But it hasn't been updated in over a year, and it may be fine. May not be a big deal, but I figured out you don't need it. So I kind of found a workaround here, and it's awesome. So again, act like you're going to embed this event type. And they can choose whatever they want. You can choose this on your own website, whatever. So I just chose inline embed, and it gives you this code, and you can adjust all of this, the colors, the theme, and that sort of thing. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to copy this code. Okay. And I came back over to the listing type, content and tabs. So this is going to display a block on the front end of their listing, content and media. I dropped in this short code right here. I called it Cal Booking. I just dropped that entire code in. Just like that. Okay. And now I'm looking through here and I'm like, well, what is unique? Just find what's unique in here. So what is unique is, where is it? My name was in here somewhere. Here it is right here. See this Cal link right here? That's what's unique. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh this without saving. So what I did was, instead of having that Cal link go to a specific event type, I just took it out and just put nothing but my username in there. All right. Once I save that, this is what you get on the front end now. So real quickly, this is their cal.com page, their full cal.com page. And then this is what I have embedded. It's the exact same thing, but it's embedded into their listing. So now they can choose whatever they want. Look how beautiful this is. So this is that previous calendar.it solution that I had a really awesome deal for people in the club to get this. And it's beautiful too. It looks just like Calendly, but this is super modern looking and it's free. I mean, it's crazy. Like, it's just, I can't even believe it's free. But yeah, super crazy. But then what you can do is go back into your cal.com account. Then you go to apps. And they've got all kinds of crazy apps, Zoom, all kinds of stuff. Okay. But the one I want to show here is monetization. Boom. Stripe. I believe PayPal is in here. If I can find it. Yeah, PayPal's in here. Which I'm not a fan of PayPal, but a lot of people are. Stripe. Okay, boom. All we do, install. Click the install button right there. set it up with your Stripe account, connect it to an existing Stripe account, or set it up with a new one. Just that easy. And then now when someone comes to this listing, they can accept payments right from their listing. They can install they control all of the apps from their cal.com account that they want to put in there and all of that stuff. Really, really super cool stuff. So I think my only thing is that because they have a full cal.com account, they can style this stuff. So if we go, let me think where this is. I think it's settings. Somewhere in here you can get in here and do your like the color of things. Let's go back in here, try embed. There we go. Yeah, you can get to like colors and stuff. So you can set this is actually a blessing and a potential curse, right? So they can set whatever color they want. Let's set this to red. I don't know what that's going to do. Let's try that theme, dark theme. Let's copy this code. I'm just going to put this in here and we'll see what happens. Okay. And again, for this, we want to take out the unique link. So we're dealing with just the event, or maybe you do in your case. It depends how you want to roll this out to your MyListing website, but I'm just going to take that out so it just captures my whole booking page. Let's see how this changes the look. Okay, it didn't change it much there as far as colors. I thought there would be some red in there. That actually may be a good thing because it kind of follows the branding of the site. But I know if you get in here, there's a way. I can't remember where it's at. Somewhere in here, you can configure styling. Okay, so we go in here. That's that. Appearance. Here we go. This is what I was wanting to show. Okay, system default, light and dark. So let's try light mode, see what that looks like. Update. Oh, here we go. Custom brand colors. That's why. Cool. Okay, so let's go here. Let's do that. Let's refresh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why that's not kicking in. Let's try this one. Oh, it's because I'm under the wrong account. I was putting in my listing club there. Okay, let's go back. My fault. All right, so let's go back into here. Let's go back into here. Yeah, I was doing my listing instead of my personal test account. So let's go here, here. Now, I don't know what's going on. I think I'm getting my accounts mixed up, but it should be light mode based on that. So we got light mode. Maybe I didn't save my changes. Light. Oh, you got to choose something else. It looks like down here. Light. Month. Oh, okay. I think that was it. It wanted me to make some more selections. All right, let's try refreshing again. Anyway, this is getting outside of the purpose of this video. I think you can really see the power of this, how awesome this is. Yeah, really super cool stuff. I'm just going to fiddle fart around with how to get that. I'm going to try this brand color. Let's try one more time, and then we'll get out of here. Just to see how this updates and looks here. I don't know why that's not updating. Anywho, you can tinker around with that yourself. I'm going to do the same, but really, really super cool. Let me pull up cal.com again, just because I want to drive home. Let's see here. If I can maybe I can just log out here. How do I log out? Can I log out? Yes, I can log out. There we go. And there's a desktop app. It's just a lot of really crazy, crazy stuff for free. Just unbelievable. Okay, let's go. So we're back here again. Connect your calendars, set your availability, share your links. We didn't show that, but you can share your links. There's a feature where you guys can work out what booking times work for everybody. Just really, really awesome stuff. Pricing, again, like I said, it's free, unlimited bookings, everything. The only time you really need, most people are going to need to pay is if you want to remove the branding, which you saw was very minimal. Or if you got a team that you want under there. But as far as especially like listing owners looking for a free solution to get bookings from their listings, super awesome. Lots of really good documentation, just really, really slick stuff. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I barely scratched the surface on this. Chances are I'm probably just going to get rid of a couple of resources from the club. They're just not really needed. We don't need to pay for some of those things anymore. So I'm probably just going to get rid of them just so people don't do that and instead use this free solution. All right, guys. Catch you on the next video. See ya.